guys, so I'm going to replace my power supply and going to upgrade for a new power supply. So this is Acer Gadget eMachines AC650 80 plus bronze. It's a full modular PSU. As you can see here, there's for the CPU, PCIe, and for the 20 plus 40p, and then for the GPU, power socket, and for the SATA and Molex. So this is not RGB power supply, but it will do. So let's try to disassemble all of these, and then let's plug in the new PSU.